Alot is a container ship as of 2022, the biggest container ships worldwide by both TEU and gross tonnage. The ship was launched in June 2022. She is 62 meters wide and 400 meters long. The ship has a capacity of 24,000 for containers, 24,000 for TEU. Alot is operated by the Evergreen Marine Corporation. The ship sails under the flag of Panama, is the first container ship to have a 24,000 TEU capacity. It surpassed Everace, which had a capacity of 23,992 TEU. History name, Alot operator, Evergreen Marine Corporation completed, the 22nd of June 2022. Identification, IMO number, 9893955989395. General characteristics. Length, 399 m beam, 61 m capacity, 24,004 TEU. During the first travel of the vessel, she arrived in Rotterdam, the Netherlands on the 12th of August 2022, where she was festively welcomed with a nautical salute. Furthermore, the new Alot and her sisters are 399.90 m long and 61.50 m, 24 rows wide. The scrubber-equipped boats are powered by a WinGD11X92B main engine that is rated at 58,600 kilowatts and drives the boats at speeds up to 22.5 knots. 6 generator sets provide up to 22,100 kilowatts of electricity for up to 1,500 reefer containers. Ships of this class were designed in-house by Hudong Zhonghua. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.